You are welcome. Let us see some questions from 14th group. Pyrosilicate ion is obviously Si2O76 minus option A. Dichlorodimethyl undergo hydrolysis but not dichlorodimethyl methane. Reason is silicon has empty d orbitals in the valence shell, so it can expand the covalency and not the carbon. Option A. Silica is reacted with Na2CO3 and you get of course Na2SiO3 soda glass, which is water soluble glass, along with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. In silicon dioxide, obviously each silicon atom is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms and each oxygen atom is bonded to 2 silicons. Option A is right, others need not be seen. Which silicate is formed as from SiO4 4 minus tetrahedral units by sharing 3 oxygen atoms. It is the sheet silicate. Answer is A. In which of the following silicates cyclic structure is present? The cyclic structure is present in emerald, the beautiful green stone, which is having a formula 3BeO.Al2O3.6SiO2. How many oxygen atoms are shared per SiO4 tetrahedra in silicate anion in beryl mineral? In beryl mineral, as you know, only 2 corners are shared. It is the cyclic silicate. Earlier we have seen that is emerald. Among the following substitute silanes, the one which will give rise to cross-linked silicon polymer. Cross-linked silicon polymer is given by R hydrolysis of RSiCl3. Option C. Now we are looking at next question. Which type of silicate compound the beryl is? The beryl is a cyclic silicate. A formula we have seen some time back. Which of the following statement is not correct? Statement A, if you read, that is absolutely right. Statement B is absolutely right. And statement C, if you look at, let me look at question number 64 once again. A is right, B is right, carborundum is silicon carbide, and 64C option, silicon occurs in free state in nature, is wrong. It exists as silica SiO2. Question number 65, which is not true regarding silicones. Statement A is absolutely right. B, if you read yourself, that is right. And C, of course, this trimethyl chlorosilane is added to control the molar mass to close the chain. True. Silicones are all solid plastic. Nah. Silicone is a semi-solid plastic material. So option D is wrong. Select the incorrect statement. The incorrect statement, we have to read each statement. Si2O76 minus, there is one shared oxygen, is true. Pyrosilicate. Si6O1812 minus is present in cyclic silicate, that is true, which is in beryl. Pyroxene is a linear chain silicate with 2 shared oxygens per silicon atom, is absolutely true. In 3-dimensional network silicate, there are 3 shared oxygens. No. All the 4 corners are shared. D is not correct. It is impossible to fuse strips of copper, silver or iron into soda glass because of a difference in the properties of glass and the metal. The property concerned is coefficient of expansion. So you can't use soda glass, you can use Pyrex glass for this purpose, which have same coefficient of expansion. So metals can be fused in Pyrex glass or borosilicate glass. Now, which of the following statements are not true about trimethylamine and trisilylamine? This is a very standard question. Statement 1 is absolutely correct. Triethylamine has a pyramidal shape, while trisilylamine is a planar shape. Due to the possibility of resonance, they should be planar. Nitrogen atom in both trimethyl and trisilylamine is in a state of sp3 sp2 hybridization respectively, is correct. And now, lone pair of electrons present in p orbital of nitrogen and trisilylamine form p pi d pi bond, that is absolutely right. Trisilylamine is more basic. Trisilylamine is not at all basic because its lone pair is engaged in the back bonding or resonance. So these are few questions we looked at from 14th group as an extension.